Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgia here with your weekly wrap-up. It is Friday, March 26, 2010. The grains, we had corn and beans finish higher today. Corn up 2, beans up 11 3/4. That puts corn down 7.5 for the week. So we fell through some pretty good support yesterday. We closed below it yesterday, closed below it again here today. We need to see an early rebound next week in order to maybe give the bulls a little bit of a hope here. But we've got an acreage report out on Wednesday, so we'll see. They're expecting to see somewhere close to 90 million acres for corn, somewhere close to 79 million acres here in beans. Beans, like I said today, up 11 1/4 cents. We're down 8 cents for the week. You had the wheat market down 2 today, but the wheat being the big loser for the week, down 19 1/4 cents. So followed that corn and fell into some new lows here for the wheat and actually closed into those lows. So looking at the charts, it is more of a negative close. Looks like rallies right now, they're looking at those as selling opportunities. So we'll see if that continues as we approach that report next Wednesday. As far as the energies, crude oil down about 53 cents, hovering right at $80 a barrel. So if it puts it down almost $1 for the week. So we've really been chopping around, but ended up closing down right against that $80 level. You've got the dollar down 38, but for the week, pretty strong move for the week. With the euro breaking, the dollar had found some strength, up 104 points for the week, puts that dollar just above 82 bucks. Pretty solid close for the dollar. It's been a while since we've been back to these levels, and looks to be pretty good. If that euro is going to continue to break, it may keep this dollar on the trend that it's been doing here. May keep some strength here for the dollar. Metals today, you did have gold stronger. Gold up about 11 bucks. It's still down just about $2 for the week. So really kind of sideways action for gold. Silver up 16 cents, but down about 12 cents for the week. So as far as the metals, more sideways trade for this week. Dips, they were looking at them as buying opportunities, and rallies were more selling opportunities. As far as the softs, much the same. Sugar pounded again this week, down 171 points in sugar. Today, down about 12 points. So with cotton, first major week, we've seen it down as much as it is, down about 229 points for the week. Today, more quiet, down just 29 points. But with cotton, might be getting a little heavy in here. We need to see an early rebound early next week if this market's going to give another push higher. We got very close to those highs this week, the contract highs this week, but didn't quite, couldn't push through that resistance. So we'll watch that. We may find a little bit of liquidation next week, and we see a lot of cotton. Well, we see a lot of price movement for cotton right around the USDA reports. We'll see what comes out here come Wednesday. But as far as livestock, as of last Friday, things getting very heavy in the livestock with the funds rallying it up to that point and finally looking at taking some profits. This week, we've seen the fat cattle down $3.95, 72 cents lower here today for the April contract. Feeders down about $1.50 this week. Today, falling about 27 points. So continuing that lower trend, with the hogs getting devastated once again this week, putting in an outside week down on the charts. It's a pretty negative move there as far as hogs. But as I mentioned, down $3.67 for the week, down 45 here today. So as far as the livestock, more negative attitude fills that market. And we may see that continue as we move into next week as well. I do want to encourage you guys, take a look at the 1-week free trial out there. If you guys do not have our Allendale Research Center, you can go right there on the website, sign up for free. 1-week free trial. Take a look at that. Call us over here, and we'll walk you through a lot of the highlights and how to use it. So you can look at that, allendale-inc.com. I really would like to encourage you guys to forward this link onto your friends. More people that see this, the better off I think they'll be. But also filling out accounts, doing business here with Allendale. Give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. Call 800-262-7538. And I look forward to speaking with you guys next week. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you then.